Welcome to nextvault. Today, we're answering a common question for beginners. Is it better to invest in the stock market or cryptocurrencies in 2025? We'll compare returns, risks, and accessibility, point by point. Get comfortable as we dive into the topic. The basics. What is the stock market? What is cryptocurrency? The stock market is where shares of companies like Apple, Tesla, or LVMH are traded. When you buy a stock, you become a part owner of the company. Cryptocurrency, on the other hand, is based on blockchain technology. These are decentralized digital assets like Bitcoin or Ethereum, which operate independently of banks and governments. Their value is determined solely by supply, demand, and market confidence. Returns, which yields more? Looking at past performance, cryptocurrencies have skyrocketed. Bitcoin, for instance, has achieved X10 or even a 100 returns during certain periods. However, these gains come with significant volatility. The stock market, by contrast, is more stable. Over 10 years, indices like the S&P 500 have shown average annual growth of 8 to 10%. While less dramatic than crypto, stock market returns are far more predictable. Risks, which is more dangerous? No surprises here, cryptocurrencies are much riskier. Their prices can double or drop by half within days. Platforms can shut down and projects can disappear overnight. The stock market, on the other hand, is regulated. Listed companies are monitored, and laws exist to protect investors. Risks like economic crises or corporate bankruptcies do exist, but they are generally more predictable and documented. Accessibility and ease of investment. Here's the good news. Both are now incredibly accessible. You can buy a share of Apple or a fraction of Bitcoin with as little as 10 right from your smartphone. However, when it comes to simplicity, the stock market is often better suited to beginners, offering ETFs, public brokers, and tools for tracking investments. Cryptocurrency, meanwhile, can be more technical. You'll need to pick a reliable platform, secure your wallet, and understand blockchain concepts to get started. Which market matches your profile? If you're cautious, prefer stability, and want regular income, the stock market is your ally. Choose ETFs, dividends, and enjoy slow but steady growth. If you're bold, tech-savvy, and willing to accept risks for potentially massive gains, cryptocurrency might be for you. But always remember, you can lose money as quickly as you gain it. Why not both? Why choose one over the other? The best strategy for 25 might be a balanced mix of both. For example, 80% in the stock market via diversified ETFs, 20% in solid cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. This way, you benefit from the stability of the stock market while tapping into the explosive potential of crypto, striking a balance between returns and security. Conclusion: so, stock market or crypto? The choice depends on your profile, goals, and risk tolerance. Or better yet, build a hybrid portfolio that intelligently combines both. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to nextvault, and let us know in the comments. Are you more of a crypto fan or a stock market enthusiast? See you soon for another video on achieving financial freedom.